Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing north facing duplex plan of plot size 102 feet 6 inches by 22 feet 6 inches. It's a G+1 plan with 4 BHK and 2 bedroom on the ground floor and 2 bedroom in the first floor. The total plot area is about 3,311 square feet and the built-up area of the ground floor is 1,358 square feet. Here we have provided a sit-out of size 10 feet 9 inches by 7 feet and the main door over here. We have provided the foyer area of size 10 feet by 7 feet. Also allocated sofa location in the foyer area and it's a prayer hall and the living room of size 19 feet 6 inches by 14 feet. Here we have a kids bedroom of size 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet with an attached toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches and we have provided wardrobe space of size 5 feet 6 inches by 2 feet and the cupboard in the bottom area, toilet towards the south direction. As per Vastu, it should be in south or north, should be placed towards south or north, and here it's in southward south. And we have provided a staircase over here, access to the first floor. And in the living room area, we have an open access to the dining from kitchen. And the dining, we provided a size 14 feet by 10 feet 9 inches. Behind the dining space, we have a kitchen of size 10 feet by 11 feet. And here we have allocated stove. And here we have provided water sink. Usually, as per the Vastu in the kitchen area, the water sink should be provided in the northeast of the room. And we have allocated the same. And we have provided a door in the kitchen. It can provide access to the backyard. And here next to the kitchen and behind the dining we have a master bedroom of size 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet with an attached toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches and the commode pointing towards south direction. We have provided wardrobe in the master bedroom of size 12 feet 6 inches by 2 feet. And here we have provided a common toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. That's all with the ground floor plan. In the living room we have provided sofa location over here and opposite to that we have our TV showcase. The ground plan is over and coming to the first floor plan. We have a staircase over here and here we have a hall of size 9 feet by 6 inches by 10 feet by 6 inches and we have allocated sofa location over here and we have provided open area of size 10 feet 3 inches by 25 feet 6 inches. In the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and here we have a master bedroom of size 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet with an attached toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches and the cupboard pointing towards south direction. In the master bedroom we have provided a wardrobe of size 5 feet 6 inches by 2 feet and we have a balcony near the master bedroom of size 10 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 3 inches. We have a door to the balcony over here. And we have a common toilet over here of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. The cupboard is pointing towards south direction. And here behind the hall area we have our kids bedroom of size 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet. With bed sleeping position over here. And with an attached toilet of size 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. The cupboard pointing towards south direction. And we have provided wardrobe of size 5 feet 6 inches by 2 feet. And here we have an one-way balcony area of size 10 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 6 inches. These are the overall plan. You can get more plans on our website houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planners and Designers apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our videos. Thank you.